Hi, I'm Amit from saasguru, and I'm super excited to share with you about the saasguru Certification Guarantee, the industry's first and only insurance policy that guarantees your success in Salesforce certification exams. We have helped over 50,000 users from 56 countries successfully prepare for their Salesforce certification exams. Across our 12 Salesforce certification prep programs, we have an incredible first-time pass rate of 98.7%. We're so confident in our world-class certification prep programs that we are willing to put our money where our mouth is. And let's be honest, we're a little bit crazy for doing it. So here's how it works. When you purchase any Salesforce Platform Developer 1 full program and use it to prepare for your certification exam, we guarantee that you will pass on your first try. But just in case you don't, we'll pay for your next attempt. That's right. Fail once and we'll foot the bill for your do-over. We know you might be thinking, what's the catch? Well, there isn't one. All you have to do is meet our simple criteria. Number 1, purchase the Salesforce Platform Developer 1 full program. Number 2, complete at least 80% of our platform's tasks and topic tests. Number 3, score at least 85% in our mock exams. And number 4, based on that, take the actual exam within 2 months of purchase. It's that easy. So why wait? Sign up for the saasguru Salesforce Platform Developer 1 program exam today and take your Salesforce career to the next level. And if you fail, don't worry, we've got you covered.